answer in their competitive presentation. Another event was a newscasting competition wherein future broadcasters tried to defend their post and did their utmost to win the title of being the best newscasters. Getting the third spot in the our Anna Dominic Mau and Veronica Joyce and the group of Ariel Lynn Messalinia, Janet Latis, Julieta, and Bonner Garcia. Their goals are from the SSU through Lavashua, gathering the second place for the group of Magnolia Brajo, Michael Soriano, and Donna Grace Luna. The group of Samuel Villegas, Martin Santos, and Gian Gisa. The first group were from the three Lavashua, and the latter are from the four Einstein. While the winning and the top spot are Maria Sheila Del Rio, Beverly Ocampo, and Joanna Mijenia from four Einstein. And that's all for the headline news. And now for the results. For the results of spelling oration, reading comprehension, and storytelling competition, here's Sheila Del Rio. Thank you, Joanna. Karma Champ Spelling Contest, De La Victoria Best Oration Field. Janica Tamba of Juan Yudan, standing behind the top, winning over her contender from one gold by 10 points. Her winning field is a spelling contest. Meanwhile, Joy A. De La Victoria of Fort Galileo taken her way out of the oration field and she garnered the first place. Joshua and Carlo of Fort Einstein emerged as the second placer, while Gloria and Marina O. Lizarondo
competition
ranked in third place. In other news, Jana M. Kalagi ranked first place in the reading comprehension contest. Proline C. Tadle emerged in second place, while C. of Ayala ranked in the third place. Part of the activities of the group month celebration is the announcement of the winners of the story retelling contest for the Freshies and Sophie. Sophia Corrales D. of One Rose took the top spot, while Jane Ariel Sarada of Sinanda came in second place. In the announcement is the mentioning of the third place in the form of Johanna Laura Rivera of competition, story retelling and tongue twister competition. Here's Beverly Ocampo. Thank you, Jam. It's so good to be blue. Move over green, yellow, and red. This milestone prevailing year comes from the mash of blue. They are the seniors. First up in the book cover illustration, where each level competed to get a group a grasp of the goal. November 18 proved to be a lucky date for Kim Caitlin Clachete of 4 Einstein, where she emerged victorious, having garnered the coveted first place. Second placer, Alvin de la Cruz of 4 Galileo also proved to the crowd that his work speaks 1,000 words. Like Clachete, de la Cruz defended his masterpiece on November 18. Third in place is Javelin El Canapi. For story retelling, the Clumps of Azure also won the gold. Joshua El Sarna of 4 Einstein claimed the top spot, while Jonah M. Salagi emerged in second place. Tongue Twisters winners also amassed from the group of blue. Joy A. De La Victoria of 4 Galileo was thrown in the upper strata, while Romalyn S. Macadenta of 2 Banana came in the second place. Third place came in the form of Diana J. A. Louis of 4 Einstein. Surely, it's so good to be blue. Back to you, John. Thank you, Beverly. And that's all for the results of the Bookman's competition. And again, this is Giovanna Major.